Hey there, my name is Dimitri and welcome to another great month at Softr. Here we have for you an amazing update that we brought out last month that I think you're gonna like a lot. This is a big update to our user group functionality. So inside of any of our different templates, if we go to one of mine right here, if we go to users, you'll notice that instead of having to assign any specific logic within here, there is a new update to user groups where now all you have to do is press assign user groups and you can assign them manually. So you can see Edra agent right here can be assigned as a client, consultant, and an admin, or just one of them. So if I just put client and then press save, you can see that Edra was added to that. Now, when it comes to this, you can go through and manually add them throughout the entirety of the system without needing to go back here and assign them. However, if you go here, you also can add users manually by selecting all of the people that you want. So if I grab Dominica, Edra, Gilbert, I can press save and they will all be added. So if I go back, you'll notice a lot more people are assigned these user groups. But also, not only that, if I go to the user group section here, I can still do conditional logic. So add users based on conditions. Logged in users role is admin, will be what is set when they are working within the space. And you can change it to or logged in users role is something else, but I just wanted to point out that you can do it in both ways. I find that this is gonna be a lot easier for the majority of users because without having this option previously, it was a little bit more difficult to assign people to users. Personally, for me, I would recommend going into each of the categories and manually adding the people if there's a large number, because as you can see at scale, it's a little bit more easy to do than to manually map them all on the user end. But selecting all of these is not hard. You can also search. Like if I had searched for Chrissy, I could then add her. So like right here, if I'm at the top and go Trudy, type that in there. That is a lot easier in my opinion than going and manually adding them in the other direction by clicking on them and then selecting the user group. Whichever one that you prefer, totally up to you, but we're really excited for all the great updates that we've had here at Softr in the last month. Obviously, we just launched the SmartSuite integration and we have an entire video for you to check out on that one. If you like this video and want to keep up to date with all of the new things here at Softr, please make sure to click that like button, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.